Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be learning how to fix Adobe Acrobat DC not working in Windows 11. So currently I am using Windows 11, as you can see. So to fix this type of issue with Adobe Acrobat DC not working, you can see I have Acrobat in here. So similar process can be applied to any of the Adobe other softwares. What you can do is simply press on these three dots right in front of open. If you have that, of course it is going to be installed onto your computer. Click on these three dots and click on uninstall. So it will be taking a couple of moments to uninstall the software, and then you need to simply reinstall it. So you can see you will have an install option like this. Once you reinstall the software, it will be basically reset with its cache, memory and everything. So it will have a fresh start, and most probably your issue will be resolved. So if still the error is persistent, you can comment down below and I will try to get back to you personally and fix up the issue together. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.